Another beautiful day at the surgery. Well, it's beautiful inside anyway. The patient we have on the operating table today is a DCS565 brushless circular saw. This one is not working. She's not feeling very well right now. And it's a switch problem, I believe. This had the Humpty Dumpty experience, which some of these tools get. Humpty Dumpty, as you remember, had a great fall. If we investigate this switch should be clicking. If you go to any of these circular saws, it should be a click. So it's time for a bit of surgery. I've looked up the switch to see if it can be bought at a reasonable rate, and here we go. £226, and you buy the starter, the switch and the controller, and costs you £226, which is way above the price of a new saw. That is suboptimal. You can see clearly that these actual leads do come off. So why a switch wouldn't be available is beyond me, but it is broken. You can see it's badly broke there. Look, it's mashed up. Good old DeWalt again. They priced the parts too high to make the repair much more expensive than a brand new unit. To give you an example, that saw can be bought for less than £150 new, and if you're registered with DeWalt you get a 3-year warranty. So unless I was able to get that switch worth the money on its own, that repair cannot be viable. That's not the case, so that one's going to the morgue, I'm afraid. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.